Today we are discussing about how to use VMware. So let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded the OS which you want to run in virtual machine. Then go to any browser, search VMware or type URL www.vmware.com. VMware is an alternative to VirtualBox. You can run any OS in this. VirtualBox is a open source software, whereas VMware is a proprietary software. It has both Workstation Player and Workstation Pro. Workstation Pro is a paid version of this software. You can get free trial of 30 days. If you want to buy it, it is available for $99 or 7,250 Indian rupee. Workstation Player is a free version which has pretty much all basic features. It is available for non-commercial, basic and home use. It is available in both Windows and Linux. In this tutorial, I am going to download that. I am already downloaded the file, so I am going to install it. After installation, open VMware. I already have a virtual machine installed which I have installed before. You don't have that. Let me show you how to create one. Click on create a new virtual machine. Select installer disk file and add the ISO of the OS that you want to run in VMware. Click next. In this tutorial, I am using Pop OS, which is a Debian based Linux OS. So I select that and click next. Here we can give the name and also location to save your file and click next. Here you can give how much disk size you want to give. You can give less or more depending on your hard disk size. Here we leave the default option and click next. Before you click finish, click on customize hardware. First option is memory. How much RAM you want to give. You can give more or less depending on your RAM size. I have 8 GB RAM, so I am giving 4 GB. Next option is processor. Here you can set how much of your CPU core you are giving. Third option, you have already done that. Here you can add the OS you want to run. We have done that before. Next option is network adapter. Select bridged and tick replicate physical network connection state. I am connected to Wi-Fi. It will share the Wi-Fi between your host OS and virtual machine. If you have network adapters connected to your PC, you can select by clicking configure adapters. Here you can select which version of USB you are connecting. We are leaving it as default. You can configure your sound card here. If you have printer, you can set it here. In display, you can specify if you have more than one monitor. Enable 3D graphics if you have good graphic card. And here you can set how much of your VRAM you want to give. Here you have add more option. Click close and then finish. You can start virtual machine either by double clicking on the file or clicking play virtual machine or in the play button on the top corner. In workstation player there are several options. In this you can shut down, pause and restart your OS. Since I am using Linux, there is a tool available for Linux, so I download that. This option is for full screen. Also here you can hide or show your command bar. If you have a network adapter and you want to connect your network only in virtual machine, in player and removable device, you can disconnect from your network adapter and select your Wi-Fi adapter and connect it. It will disconnect from your host, in this case my Windows PC, and connect only to virtual machine. You can go to settings and then to Wi-Fi and connect your Wi-Fi. In settings you can change your display resolution, but after installation you have to do it one more time. It will be set as default. Now we can install the OS and restart it. You can see that you are running an OS in VMware. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Also like the video if you find it useful. This is Tech Talks signing out.